Guys, this is part 2 of the day, and we are out here at Jamhuri High School, and Lily, wait for some fun, wait for something. Yep, here we go. And still there are more birds, there is fresh breeze, and everything is just cool. We are enjoying here, out here. So keep watching, you're gonna like this. Bye. So right here we have some stocks, 3 of them. They are actually feeding. They feed on some ant worms. They feed on some ants, some worms, and they dig into the grass, the soil, and such. So this is one of them. The rest of the birds, they are not here right now. I think they are somewhere else scavenging, like the crows. I know they are out there. They are somewhere else scavenging. So right now we can't access the crows, but it's good to see this. There's a 4th one approaching, as you can see it from the right side. There it is. So now there are 4 of them. From left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over there there's another one. So the air is very cool out here. The atmosphere is good. Mada tree, and it's very cool out here. Actually you can enjoy it, but I can see some crows over there on that end of the field, but they are really few comparing to how they were in the morning. So I really hope you just enjoyed watching this, and wow, thumbs up, like, and subscribe.